The Royal Moroccan Army has ordered 13 Bayraktar TB2 drones from Turkey. To strengthen its air power in counter-insurgency efforts, Morocco Royal Armed Forces have signed a contract with Turkey worth $70 million for the supply of 13 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned combat aerial vehicles. The Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle, capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations. In the contract, Morocco will receive 4 ground stations, a configurable simulation system, and a digital system for tracking and storing information. Also, a drone operations center will be set up in Moroccan airbases. Bayraktar TB2 are produced with a record-breaking 93% of the parts manufactured locally in Turkey. A total of 160 drones are in the inventories of 4 countries currently, which are Turkey, Ukraine, Azerbaijan and Qatar. The success of the Bayraktar TB2 drones has led to its vast export, a move that allowed an advanced aircraft to be exported for the first time in the Turkish Republic history. The Bayraktar TB2 UAV rose to prominence after successful combat performance in Syria, Libya, and more recently, Azerbaijan. Footage of Azerbaijani drones attacking Armenia forces during the recent war in Nagorno-Karabakh earlier this year showed the small, relatively cheap Bayraktar drone destroying expensive main battle tanks, air defense systems, radars and armored vehicles. Moroccan military personnel will receive training, logistical and technical support for the Bayraktar drones, which are scheduled to be delivered later this year. The price of a single Bayraktar TB2 UAV is $5 million, which means that Morocco paid at least $70 million including training. The unmanned aircraft will most likely be used to monitor rebels in the Western Sahara. Although, the Moroccan military has not officially declared its position on the use of armed drones for airstrikes. However, a recent report suggests that Morocco used an armed drone strike to kill a senior Western Sahara independence fighter. A Polisario official confirmed to local media that the officer had been killed by a Moroccan drone in a recent military operation. Last year, Morocco received 3 Harfang UAV from France.